Hi, this is Dennis with AK-GRIP. Today I'm going to show you how to install an AK-GRIP on an AK-47. The first thing you want to do when working on any firearm is to make sure your weapon is cleared. Safety off. This weapon is cleared. You're good to go. The first thing you want to do is remove the dust cover. Push in. Go ahead and pull back. Second, remove the spring. Now tip the rifle over. For this one, we're going to use a flat blade, and we're going to put our finger up in here to hold in the bottom of the rifle. There's a washer or a nut that holds the grip on. So you want to go ahead and push up on that so it doesn't fall out of place. All right. Remove the old grip. I'm going to go ahead and tilt that on the side to keep it from falling out. So in your parts package, we've got the grip and the mounting block. Put those to the side. We also include an instruction manual if you need it. And this is the parts package. Inside here we provide you with an Allen wrench, 2 screws, and 2 washers. We're going to need the smaller black screw first to install the mounting block. That's this one right here. Go ahead and insert that inside the mounting block. I'm going to put my finger inside here and hold up this little piece right here, which is the bottom of like a nut. Go ahead and put that in place. Use a 3/16 Allen wrench to go ahead and tighten that down. Nice and tight. Second thing, you want to take your new grip, take the stainless steel screw, put the lock washer on first, then the flat washer. Now feed this through the bottom of the grip. Take the Allen key that we provide for you, and go ahead and push down on it to kind of hold the screw in place so when you slip it in, you can line it up with the hole. There we go. I'm going to move mine back 3 clicks. That's where I like mine. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and tighten it down. Nice and tight. Second, put your spring back in. Now on this rifle, the dust cover is a little tricky, so we're just going to go ahead and put that back in place.